Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sign out of your Windows 11 Microsoft account. If you're looking to switch your user account to a local account, I already have a tutorial on my channel for that. You're welcome to search for that, but in today's tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys how to just sign out or sign out of other apps as well. So in order to do that, just open up the Start menu and then right click on your computer username and select where it says Change Account Settings. Scroll down underneath Account Settings, select where it says Stop signing into all Microsoft apps automatically, and that's pretty much it. So, and then you can see related settings. You can manage your accounts as well, which will just open up a Microsoft web page here. So pretty straightforward, then you would just sign in, but this is pretty much the basic one here, short of actually creating a local user account, which you can still do at the time of this recording, but again, check out my channel on how to create a local user account on Windows 11. So pretty straightforward, and if you just want to actually sign out of your computer and that's why you search for this video, all you have to do is right click on the Windows button, select shutdown or sign out, and then just sign out. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.